Hello, today I will show you how to change vehicle in Uber Eats driver app. So, if you have switched vehicles or want to deliver using a different one, Uber Eats lets you update your vehicle details directly from the driver app. This is important because delivery eligibility and order types depend on the vehicle you select. First, open the Uber driver app and log into your account. Make sure you're offline before making changes because Uber usually doesn't allow vehicle updates while you're actively delivering. From the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open account options. Next, go to account, then tap vehicles. Here, you will see the vehicles currently linked to your Uber Eats account. Tap add vehicle if you want to register a new one, or select an existing vehicle if you've already added it before. Now, choose the vehicle type you want to use, such as bicycle, scooter, motorcycle, or car. Enter the required details like vehicle name, model, and license plate if applicable. Some vehicle types may require document verification, such as insurance or registration. So upload clear photos if prompted. Once submitted, wait for Uber to approve the vehicle. In many cases, approval is instant, but sometimes it can take a few hours or longer depending on your region and vehicle type. You will get a notification when the vehicle is approved and ready to use. After approval, go back to the main screen of the driver app before going online. Tap the vehicle selector and choose the new vehicle. This ensures Uber assigns deliveries that match your selected vehicle. In short, changing your vehicle in the Uber Eats driver app involves going to account settings, updating or adding a vehicle, waiting for approval, and selecting it before going online. Always make sure your vehicle information is accurate to avoid delivery issues. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.